Welcome to Rajendra Tandon videos. We continue with another verse from Bhramar Geet written by Surdas, who was a Hindu devotional poet and singer known for his lyrics written in praise of Lord Krishna. Surdas wrote in Braj Bhasha, one of the two literary dialects of Hindi. He was a part of the Bhakti movement spreading across the Indian subcontinent. This movement represented spiritual empowerment of the masses. Three other well-known poets of this movement were Kabir, Mirabai, and Tulsidas. The genesis of Bhramar Geet poems can be traced to Srimad Bhagavad Puran. According to the narration in the Puran, the inhabitants of Braj could not reconcile with the loss of Krishna to Mathura. Their depth of sorrow knew no bounds. Krishna sent Uddhav, a friend of his, to Braj to console his parents as well as the gopis. Uddhav told Nand and Yashoda, who had brought up the infant Krishna as their own child, that Krishna was formless, unborn, without a beginning and an end. At this stage, the gopis who had come to know of Uddhav's arrival gathered around him, probed him to learn as much as they could about their beloved Krishna. They repeatedly chanted Krishna's name. Meanwhile, a black bee droned into this assembly. The gopis taunted Uddhav through the medium of the black bee. These verses are therefore known as Bhramar Geet. Bhramar Geet is Virha Pradhan, that is, its thematic content deals more with sorrow born of separation of Krishna from the gopis. In this particular verse, gopis tell Uddhav that Krishna would be wise. He would be advised not to come to Braj from Mathura because, in his absence, whatever was pleasant in their lives had become unpleasant. Superb images have been invoked by Surdas. Uddhav Bhali Karo Gopal. It would be advisable for Gopal to act like this. Apun to avat nahi यहाँ, वहीं रहे यही काल. He should not come to Mathura. He should stay there. चंदन चंद हुतो सब तब शीतल कोकिल शब्द रसाल. अब समीर पावक समरागत सब ब्रज उल्टी चाल. We are burning the fire of separation. The sandal which used to cool our bodies no longer does so. It burns. The koel's cooing jars the ears. The wind which blew over Jamuna waters hurts. Everything has become topsy-turvy. So he need not come. Why should he come and suffer? We are suffering. It is our fate. हार चीर कंचुकी कंटक भय तरण तिलक भय भाल. Our garlands, our clothes, our blouses hurt us like thorns. हमारे on our foreheads, the tilak burns like the sun. When we lie on our beds, it seems as if A tiger is going to come and eat us. Sage Singh, Griha Timid Kandara. Our homes look like caves which are dark, without light. Sarp Suman Manipal. The gem necklaces feel like serpents around our necks. Krishna, stay where you are. You are the king of happiness. For us, it was not to be like that. गोपियां कहती हैं, उद्धव जी, कृष्ण ने अच्छा ही किया कि वो यहां नहीं आए, यहां से चले गए, यहां की स्थिति ठीक नहीं है. उनसे कहना कि जितने दिन चाहें वो मथुरा में रहें, यहां ना आए. They are taunting him, they are taunting Krishna also through him. He has become heartless. वो निष्ठुर हो गए हैं. जब से गए उन्होंने हमारी खबर तक नहीं ली. अब हम सब वियोग की ज्वाला में जल चुके हैं, तो वो आकर क्या करेंगे? राख मिलेगी प्यार करने को. जब वो यहां थे उस समय चंदन और चंद्रमा शीतलता प्रदान करते थे. कोयल की वाणी बड़ी मधुर प्रतीत होती थी. पर अब तो बात ही दूसरी है. हवा आग के समान जलती है. गले का हार, वस्त्र, कंचुकी कांटे की भांति चुभते हैं. उनको पहनना मुश्किल हो गया है. हम सबके माथे पर टीका सूर्य की भांति गर्म है, दुख देता है. सेज पर जाती हैं तो वो सिंह के समान भयानक लगती है. सोने की इच्छा ही नहीं होती. प्रेमी कहाँ है? तो मथुरा में है. हमारी सेज तो अकेली हो गई है. फूलों की और मणियों की माला सांप के समान लगती है. इन्हें देखने भी भय होता है, पहनने भी नहीं बनता. हम तो न्याय सहें, ए तो दुख बनवासी जो ग्वाल. उद्धव जी, हम तो बन की ग्वालाएं हैं. गऊएं चराती हैं, ब्रज में रहती हैं. वो तो राजा बन गए हैं. स्वामी सुख सागर भोगी प्रबर भुवाल. अवर मास्टर हैज बिकम द किंग. मथुरा के राजा बन गए हैं. उन्हें कहिए वो आनंद लेते रहें. हमारी चिंता मत करें, जो होना था हो गया. यहां ना आए, वरना यहां उनको भी ये तपश महसूस होगी. वो इन कष्टों को झेल नहीं पाएंगे उद्धव जी. The entire description is so evocative. It shows the mastery of the poet over images. हजारी प्रसाद द्विवेदी लिखते हैं, सूरदास जब अपने प्रिय विषय का वर्णन शुरू करते हैं तो मानो अलंकार शास्त्र हाथ जोड़कर उनके पीछे दौड़ता है. उपमाओं की बाढ़ आ जाती है, रूपकों की वर्षा होने लगती है. Thousands of images are used by Surdas in Bhramar Geet poems. To see those images, you have to read these poems. I am doing whatever I can within my limitations. Surdas basically deals in Vatsalya, Shringar and Bhakti and Shantarasa. In Bhramar Geet, Virha Ras takes prominence over other rasas. He has painted the childhood of Krishna in luminous colors. His descriptions are beautiful, alive, and psychologically enriching. Surdas's Krishna is an embodiment of love and sweetness. The pangs of separation of the gopis have been painted in images which are unique. Nobody could paint those images so well as Surdas did, others tried. I stop here today. I shall come with another video soon. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for visiting this site.